What up guys, this is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp. As you can tell, we have been talking about collections. So yesterday we did this video where we start talking about arrays, right? As part of the collection. So we created this string array right here where it contains all our days of the week, right? So we have that, and then we use a for loop, no, a for each loop. So just to get the items from the array. So if I run this, so it should give me just all the days of the week, right? So which we have that. So now today we're going to be talking about how we can access an individual item on the array. Okay, so basically I got some code. Let me just comment this out and uncomment this out right here. Okay, so right here, so looking up array items, accessing an individual item in a collection, which we want to access maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, right? So this is, I created just a little application right here, console.writeLine. Which day of the week do you want to display, right? Just asking to the user. So whatever the user, and then it's going to say like an example. So you can enter Monday, it's going to be 1. Yeah, it's going to be 1. And then created another variable, integer. Okay, and then it is being parsed because console.readline always returns a string containing the text of the user when the user types in, and we convert that into an integer, which we have that as days of the week, and it started right here in I day. Okay, so that's what we have right here. Whatever the user is going to enter, we're going to parse it to be an integer. Okay, now, and also, so now if you want to see like how to display the correct day, right? Now I created another variable right here. It's called a string chosen day. Yeah, and it set it to days of the week with brackets. Okay, um, and then inside here, so like anytime when you want to look up an item in a collection, you do it by putting a square brackets. So it's kind of like we did, and after the collection variable, which is, this is the collection name, and then there's the bracket, right? Now a square brackets basically means get this item from the collection, right? And then inside the square bracket, which is inside right here, there is some information that tells the computer which item you want, right? So right here, so we got iday, whatever the user is trying just to get from any item from the array, it will pass it right here. Okay, so for arrays you always specify the item using a number. So let's run it right here. So and then you just do a console write, that's the day, and then you just do a chosen day. We're just doing a stream interpolation right here. So if we run that, so Monday, supposedly, we're going to talk about this, but this is just so if you do a one, so which day of the week do you want to display? If you do 1, it's going to give you a Tuesday, right? Because, and arrays, they're indexed, right? They start at 0. So actually if I want to get 1, Monday, that should be 0, right? So if I do 0, it should give me a Monday. If I want Wednesday, that's going to Monday's going to be 0, Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2, Thursday is 3. So let's see, if I do a 3, it should give me a Thursday. Yeah, so that day is Thursday. So is 0 base array. So but how do we fix this? So we're going to do another video where we can fix that, but for now, so it was just, this video is about how we can access an individual item from array. Okay, hopefully this video can help you out. It was just so quick, you know, the shorter, the specific and clear content, that's what I want, right? So hopefully this can help you out. Yeah, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.